Namaskar. In this video, let's talk on time management. Do you think time management is possible? Do you think we can actually manage our time? I don't think so. Let's take one example and discuss this. Let's assume that right now, this very present moment, it's 6 p.m., it's 6 in the evening, and today you decide that tomorrow at 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to get up and go for a jog. Now you have about 12 hours with you to fulfill that activity. Now you decide this and you say, okay, I'll go for a jog at 6 o'clock in the morning. I'll get up in the morning and go for a jog. And then you get along with your day to day activities. Now the time is flowing. Before going to sleep, you put on the alarm and you go to sleep, thinking that you'll get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Now, as 6 o'clock happens, as the time shows 6 o'clock according to your smartphone or your alarm clock, the alarm without fail starts ringing. Now here what happens, let us assume that you are surprised, 6 o'clock so soon. Then your mind tells you, oh, I promised myself to get up in the morning at 6 o'clock and go for a jog, but it's okay, I'll maybe next week I'll go. And you give some kind of excuse and you don't wake up. You dismiss the alarm or you shut the alarm and go back to sleep. And then you get up late at say about 9 o'clock. So what has happened? When you were supposed to get up, you were sleeping. You found yourself sleeping on the bed. So here, will you blame the time for it? Will you say that, oh, my time management is not good, I'm not able to manage my time? Time has been flowing. We have just divided the time into 24 hours. It is continuously happening. You cannot manage that thing which is like continuously flowing. You cannot stop it. You cannot build a dam and stop it. It will pass, it will go. What you can do instead of managing your time, you can only manage the activity that you plan to do in that particular time. Like you planned to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning and go for a jog, but you failed to get up, and then very comfortably you started blaming that your time management, there's a problem with your time management. It's not problem with your time management, it's problem with your habit. You have not developed the habit of getting up early in the morning. That's why you were not able to get up. Or maybe you slept late that night. You were not able to sleep. You went to sleep very late. That's why your sleep hours were not complete. That's why you did not feel like getting up. So it's all in the habit. It's not about time management. If you had gone to sleep properly early, maybe 9 o'clock after dinner, you must have, if you had gone to sleep thinking that tomorrow I have to get up early at 6 and go for a jog, then maybe your sleep might have completed before 6, around 5:30 or quarter to 6. And when the alarm rings, you would have got up feeling fresh because your sleep is complete. But it didn't happen. So here we can say that time management is not the issue. The issue is managing your activities. What activity have you planned and how you will do that, at what particular time you will do that? You decide and then plan in such a way that at that time you find yourself doing that activity. If you don't do that, something else, you get involved in something else and then you push aside that task, and then you cannot complain that no, see, I've got time management problem. So it is about handling your activities, your day to day activities. It's about putting things in priority. What is your priority? Like here, getting up at 6 o'clock was not your priority. Maybe watching videos on YouTube or Netflix or some other social media was your priority. Just because you have planned doesn't mean that it will happen. It's a wrong thing. You need to plan and then you need to work on that plan to make it a reality. Then you will never complain about time management. Develop the habit of doing things on time and you will never complain about time management. So, next time when you find yourself saying that, oh, my time management is not good, or I have this weakness of time management, stop there and tell yourself, brother or sister, it is not the problem of time management. It is the problem of task management. It's not that I am not able to manage my time. It's only that I am not able to put my tasks in priority. See, if I start prioritizing my tasks and take necessary actions that at that time I will be doing that particular task, then nothing in the world can shake your time management.